Siya no, tani wala na sa mga ganun no, nung bungot. Sa ngayon, sa kung wala sa bungot.
Dili lang kita ya.
Why siya mo ha? Why si Chadwick?
Philippines. Ay, Diyos ko, daw pa yung naglibo ka.
Grabe na.
Hamak mo.
Very proud.
Oo. Flag sa Philippines yung nadala yan.
Hindi sarap. Wala ko naman mas pasikat siya. Bilog na kalibutan.
Real, introducing Manny Pacman.
Why naman ni Crimen subog sa Philippines?
You know when every time he has a boxing tournament,
there's no crime in the Philippines.
Yeah, everything stops in Philippines, Brie. Everything, yeah. Jeepney drivers, everything. Everybody is watching, you know, the boxing tournament. Ano na music man? Oh my God, ada na yayara na. Ay, Diyos ko dapat siya fans yun, no? So proud to be Filipino.
Siya maberde, siya dumundamo siya gyapon yung fans siya.
Doon sa ano, bala nga Pinoy siya.
Yung fighting spirit, madaog din siya.
Bill, ang bala na yung Miguel ang taon na.
Kanuwablo sila, mga Pinoy.
Ay, hindi ka lang taon, di Carlo.
Hindi pwede live.
Ari ka na gina. Oo, hindi pwede. Kita mo na good.
I-live mo ba? Ay, hindi.
Ang daw, siya fan siya tayo, man.
Naligol pilisokton ka, di Bel.
Ay, ambot So proud to be Filipino, ganyan. Kung pwede lang, Bel, no? Nga, sige, kuha. Tadi makuha ni Carlo, tani, no? Hindi man galing pwede.
Si Freddy Rocha, simple lang yan si Freddy Rocha.
Ginistoryahan mo na si Brice ang iya history bell ngay muli-imol sa una.
Promotions along with TGB Promotions and sponsored by DraftKings Sportsbook. The crown is yours. And also brought to you by Universal Pictures, Nobody 2, only in theaters August 15th. This bout is sanctioned by the WBC
mouthpiece may Philippines kami
along with the Nevada State Athletic Commission, Executive Director Jeff Mullen. Our three judges scoring it out from ringside. From Nevada, Tim Cheatham. From New York, Max DeLuca. And from New Jersey, Steve Weisfeld. And introducing our third man to the ring, the referee was giving instructions out. Thomas Taylor.
Hindi gusto sa kay Tom to.
All right, fans, here we go with the main event of the evening. 12 rounds of boxing.
Mo Pinoy gidyo.
Siyempre.
Tinoy ko bi ko na ka sa Las Vegas, hindi ka magtanaw man no.
Kaya ang ticket to pilagay ha.
Bisan pa guro.
Live from the MGM Grand Garden.
Bisan sa punta-punta ka lang to no.
It's prime time.
Prime time gid.
Introducing to you first, the challenger fighting out of the blue corner, trained by Hall of Fame.
Pinsar ni Manny, i-prove ko gid sa inyo. Bisan 46 na ko.
Primero bla sa line-up, pating ba ang bata itani harap pa Bel. Tapos gulpi lang wala na. Lain na. Naglain gulpi. Nagula ka sa rang no, silang bayan.
5-5 lang and a half siya. Kontra.
Pamak mo 5-5 kontra 6-1.
And having defeated 8
Good.
current Hall of Famers, he holds a professional record of 62 wins, 8 losses and 2 draws, with 39 wins coming by way of knockout. Tonight, he is making his return to the ring. Ladies and gentlemen,
Johnny.
boxing's pride of the Philippines, truly one of the all-time greats of the sport. Here is the renowned 12-time 8-division champion of the world, introducing the one and only Manny
Pacman. Pacquiao.
We'll get there.
Ay, nag-cold na naman.
Pacquiao!
With the fans here.
And his opponent
Damo ka, no?
in the red corner, guided under the tutelage of renowned trainer Bob Santos, wearing blue trunks with cheetah print, hailing from and representing his beautiful hometown of San Antonio. 18 of his wins coming by way of knockout. Having captured a world
6 siya gali, hindi 6-1.
147
Ha?
pounds. Ladies and
Gabi
gentlemen,
na.
here is the accomplished two-division world champion, the current reigning and defending WBC welterweight champion of the world, introducing El Azteca, Mario
Ang Azteca na, ako na sa mo.
Barrios. Once again, here's our referee in charge, now to give instructions.